This is Larry at Easy Camping, getting ready to get on the bandwagon with hiking this summer or spring as soon as it quits raining. Stay with me, kids. So I got my tent set up behind it. There's a river country products tent. Dixie reviewed it on her channel. Homemade Wanderlust. Gonna try to go through my pack, show what we kind of got here. Almost there. Be my hillbilly stove. I have a alcohol burner. A little grate down inside to put on top if I want to cook something. And this one's for putting a pot on there. And I've used it with alcohol and wood. Both has worked pretty good. Stanley cup. Got two cups with it. I don't know if I'm carrying both of them. Salt and pepper. I gotta have that. I gotta have coffee every day. I think I'm doing the tea bag coffee. Been using it at the house that way for a while. It works good. Little teepee, a cover, although I'm looking for an orange one. I have a little light for my tent, just real shallow light, extra batteries for it. Tank for my pocket rocket stove. My sleeping bag. It's warm weather only. I did buy a sleeve for it. This is my pillow slash spare clothes. Kind of tight, it's pot and pan. I got a divvy bag, probably gonna have to get another big one to put it in. Doesn't quite want to come out of there. I'm sure soot's gonna end up being a problem after using it for a few times. I have used it to make bacon. I have a tarp. I'm not even sure what size it is. I'm gonna have to open it up. It's the one that's got a lot of tie downs on it. Had to, I could make a shelter out of it. It's my regular liner for my sleeping bag. A little mosquito net for my head. Got a nice knife for splitting up wood, taking on grizzly bears, folding saw, just so I gotta have fire when I'm out there. Got a couple of meals. I'm gonna have to come up with some other stuff. Got to pack in bacon. Made a little spatula out of cedar and a little spoon. Little flashlight. It's my platypus water filter system. I bought the charcoal filter with it too. Get some orange paracord so I don't trip over everything. Sawyer water filter. A little straw can go on it. Bag. Empty pocket, wow. I have to work on that. Here I got my first aid kit and I added a few things to it in case I get myself with a saw or knife. My little rocket stove. Some waterproof matches, a couple of strikers, ferro rods, a little roll of duct tape. Compass. I'm up to a 65-liter pack. Started out with 50. Got too much stuff. Had to go take it back and get another one. A couple of rain ponchos, some Ziploc bags. Carry out what you carry in. A couple lighters, a little pocket knife. Little do-all tool just in case. I think that's about it. Doesn't see much. Tent. Do kind of a walk around the tent. Sides are kind of flared out. Use your tracking pole for poles, so you don't have to carry extra poles. Seems to be pretty roomy. Oh, I got my pillow. Clean clothes. I don't think it's going to be too bad. It's got a kind of a bathtub floor in it, so the water should stay out. I can set up back here. I don't think it's going to be too bad. This is Larry at Easy Camping. Hope to see you on the trails of Hoosier National Forest this year. As soon as it quits raining. We'll talk to you later. Bye.